Hi, I'm Jiren, and I'm a software engineer for CloudSign. And today I'll be talking to you about the WebOrion API, as well as the different use cases of the API. So before I actually go into detail about the WebOrion API, let me just give you a brief introduction to the WebOrion monitor system, as well as a brief overview of how an API actually works. So the WebOrion monitor system is a comprehensive security system designed to actually detect web page defacements. Our system is actually powered by 6 engines, namely the HTML content analysis engine, advanced integrity engine, image analytics engine, AI NLP engine, the JavaScript malware detection engine, as well as the SSL DNS monitoring engine. All these 6 engines play a role in helping us detect various aspects of web page defacement. So next, what exactly is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface, and it serves as a software intermediary between two applications. So to illustrate better, just imagine that you have just logged into your favorite e-commerce application and you would like to update your user profile. What happens behind the scenes is that the front-end application will make a GET request to the API, in which the API will actually retrieve your user profile from the database and return the user profile as a response to the front-end application. This user profile would then be displayed on the browser to the users. Now that you have a basic understanding of how an API works, let me bring you through some of the benefits of the WebOrion API. So one of the benefits of the WebOrion API is the ability to seamlessly integrate with other systems, such as content management systems like Wordpress, and in the coming days, SIEM or SOAR systems. One example of such integration would be the ability to conduct baseline and rebaseline of existing web pages, as well as newly added web pages on the WebOrion monitor system. So what I mean by baseline here refers to keeping a record of all the elements on the HTML page, such as the headers, as well as images. During my demonstration later, I'll show you how to conduct a baseline, as well as how we can actually reduce false alerts through this integration. Next, another benefit of the WebOrion API would be to provide organizations with the ability to directly access alerts and logs. And this can actually be useful for analytical purposes.
Okay, so now I'll be conducting a demonstration using a content management system like WordPress. So there will be two parts to my demonstration. The first part would be to show you what would actually happen if the WebOrion Monitor API is not integrated with WordPress. And the second part would be to show you how to integrate the WebOrion API with WordPress. So as you can see, I have already created a WordPress website showing pictures of lakes. Do note that there's only one image over here. So now I'll be heading over to the WebOrion Monitor dashboard to conduct a baseline of the web page. So as you can see, our system is actually performing a baseline of the web page. So as I mentioned earlier, conducting a baseline refers to taking a record of all the HTML elements in this web page, such as the headers and the images, the paragraph text, etc. Okay, so our system has finished the baseline. Let's give it a name. So as you can see here, these are all the records of the elements in the web page, such as the href links, the CSS, the JavaScripts, etc. Let's see. So typically our monitor system would verify the web page in intervals of 5 minutes, but for demonstration purposes, I will be conducting a manual verification of the web page. As you can see, the URL status has changed to OK, and this is because there has been no modifications to the web page, or there has been no defacements conducted on the web page. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll make a simple modification to the web page by adding an extra image. Okay, so as you can see, this web page has been updated and there's an extra image over here. So now I'll head back to the WebOrion monitor system and conduct another verification. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, the URL status has changed from OK to warning. And this is because I have made a modification to the web page and our system has detected a change. However, This is actually a false alarm because I made this change intentionally. Okay, so now I'll be showing you the second part of my demonstration where I will show you how to integrate the WebOrion API with WordPress. So as you can see, this is the original website that I have used for the first part of my demonstration. Back in the WebOrion dashboard, I also have already conducted a baseline as well as manual verification of the web page. So over here in the WordPress dashboard, I have installed a plugin called Code Snippets. And what this plugin allows you to do is basically to write and run custom code on WordPress. So over here, as you can see, these are the snippets that you have created. Now let me show you the details of the code snippet that I have already created. So over here, I have already added an inbuilt WordPress add action hook. And what this hook basically does is that whenever a user saves a post on WordPress, it will automatically call our WebOrion API to conduct a baseline and rebaseline of existing web pages as well as newly added web pages to the WebOrion monitor system. So now I'll save the changes and activate this code snippet. So over here you can see that this code snippet has already been activated. And now I'll proceed to modify the web page again. Okay, so as you can see, an additional image has been added to the web page. Now I'll head back to the WebOrion dashboard and do a verification of the web page again. As you can see, the status still remains as OK, and this is because of the automatic rebaseline and baseline done by our monitor system. This is how we can reduce false alerts made by intentional modifications by users.
So as seen from my earlier demonstration, it's extremely easy to integrate the WebOrion API with other systems like WordPress. Such integration can also bring about additional benefits, such as reduced false alerts as you have seen earlier as well. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you are interested in our product, please feel free to reach out to us at sales@cloudsun.tech. Thank you.